See, this is a very old phone cover. So I have to make a new iPhone cover. So why late? Let's begin. Wait. I have to see these scratches. Look, all these scratches all over the cover. It's looking so old and so dirty. So let's start. Firstly, switch off the phone, put out the cover, and we have to make it clean so you don't have to sandpaper. No problem. Take some salt on it and then rub it with tissue paper. It will swipe out the all the dirt in it. Rub it. Now it's looking clean. It's all smooth and not scratches free, but it all smooth. Look at the dirt. Now paint it with black color. The base paint. The base color is black. We also get some texture color while painting with acrylic color. So it's nice. So I'm going to make it a galaxy cover. So paint it as I am doing. If you also want to make a galaxy cover for your phone cover, it's a star. Sprinkle some golden yellow color. It's looking like a star. Sprinkle all over the cover. Now make some stars. Now mix some white color to more water, and do it like this. It's a very translucent effect. Make whatever you want to make, which is possible in the galaxy, or just do it what I am doing.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más.
Now take some golden colors and add it to the planets and the stars so that it will come out very shinier than before, much shinier, and it will also give some textured look which look awesome. Some more stars here and there. because there are billions of stars in the galaxy. Some colors in it. It's a orange, and earlier it was green there.
Quiero perder el ritmo y más allá.
It's a blue color. Make it like this to give it a real effect.
A través de la gran oscuridad y más
So here I am done with all the paints. Now time for polishing. I don't have varnish, so I am polishing it with my nail color. It's a transparent nail color. You can varnish it. Varnishing the paint keep it safe.
मैं किसी और का हूँ फिलहाल के तेरा हो जाऊं ये गलती गलती है जो भी कर दिया जानी और más allá.
Wow, it look awesome, really awesome. I like it very much. What about you? Please tell me.